Hello everyone, welcome to S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you another project, which is a fashion earring made from recycled plastic bottles. This is our project. Look at here. This is a fashion earring, a dangling earring. Look. This is two sides. This one is white flower and here is the rose. So if it is going like this, so both sides have flowers, this white flower and this is the blue rose, and this one with some crystals and silver, and here this one is a blueberry. Okay, so all we need, the materials, is the hook. This one is the hook. We need 3 rings. But here 2 big jump rings and 1 small rings, 2 small pearl beads, and the other one is with crystal, and this one, the blue one, is a plastic, from the plastic of WC gel. This is a plastic bottle for the bathroom cleaner. Okay, you can see this is a bathroom cleaner. You can see the bowl cleaner. This is the bowl cleaner. So this is the plastic bottles, the empty one. I clean it, and this is the one. So I'm gonna show you how to recycle the plastic and create this instant unique fashion earring. Okay, so we need these 3 pliers. Yeah, this is the long nose, the presser, and the cutter, because this is the primary tools if you're going to create a jewelry or jewelry making. This is the primary tool. So if you want to learn how to create jewelry making, be sure to provide these primary tools, and you need a scissor. Okay, so we need also this adhesive glue. Okay, or if you have a super glue. Then we need this flower. This is a rose. This is a ready-made, and this is also a flower, but this is a lace. I just cut out it. And we need this blueberry. This is a blueberry beads, and I have this 3 pieces of beads. Okay, and we need some rings. I have here the 2 big rings and 1 small one. Okay, and I have here the silver. So let's start. So if you have this plastic, this is the complete, if you have the complete bottle, just take out from the side. Okay, from the side, which the space having no print, no label, just remove the side of the bottle. For example, this one, this is the bottle. Take out only from the side where there is no print or there is no label, like this. Okay, label, I mean label. So just create a pattern, which is a cartoon. Create a pattern, any shape you want to create, either oval, square, or rectangle. So just put on the top of the plastic and just use your fingernails and just outline on the side of the shape that you are gonna cut it. So just continue to press the side. Don't use ball pen or marker because it will create some traces from the plastic. So now look here, the traces already form an oval. So just simply follow the trace of your fingernails and just continue to cut the shape. Okay? So when you have already like this, okay, just shape it nicely. Okay, shape nicely before you will start your project. Be sure that the size of your shape is okay, it's presentable. Okay, so it's like this. This is only a sample, so you need 2 pieces of this. Then you need to use the puncher. I have here a puncher. This puncher is for the plastic and for the metal and for the leather. So we're going to use this, the smallest size. Okay, so just punch on the top and on the bottom, but be sure it is on the center. Okay, because this hole, we're going to connect the jump rings. Okay, so it's here. So this is very easy. So first you have to use this wire. I'm using this jewelry wire to make a loops for the beads. Okay, so just insert first the white one, the pearl one, the pearl beads, and insert the big one, the crystal. Look, and then insert another pearl. Okay, so we are going to make a loops. So from here, use the round or the long nose and make a loops like this. Okay, the loops not so big, not so small. Okay, look at here. Okay, you can see the loops. Okay, so okay, from this center of this curve, insert the long nose on the tip of the long nose, and in this side of the wire you have to wrap around in the back side of this long nose. So wrap it into 2 times, 1, 2, then press and hold it, then insert the 3 beads. Okay, and release it. Okay, so we have already here. Okay, so hold this portion by using the long nose. So from this portion, first bend this wire and bring it here, here, look at here, and wrap around in this portion 2 or 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Then release the long nose, and it's here. So cut the end of the wire. Okay, so this is the wire. Cut at the tip of this wire and press by using the presser. press the end of the wire. So now it's already here. Okay, so we have already prepared. So we are going to connect our decoration on the bottom. So this one, open the jump ring by using the two pliers like this. Okay, and insert this plastic. Okay, look at this, insert, and also insert this blueberry. Okay, and then hold by using the presser, hold it both sides, look, and press and close the jump ring by pressing it. Okay, adjust it, press again. So we have already here the blueberry. Okay, next step, on the top we have to open the rings, look, and insert these beads that we have created. So insert, look, and insert the plastic on the ring. Okay, so look at here. So insert and hold it and close the ring, look, press it like this. Okay, and hold it here. So this is the third step. So we have already here and on the top. So next step, you have to put the small ring and the hook. We have the hook here and we have this small ring. I will use a small ring because it's on the top. So this is the ring. So connect these beads, these loops of the beads, insert into the ring and connect the hook. Look at here, this is the hook. Connect into the ring, and now press it, hold it by the other pliers, press and close the ring. So it's here. So it's here already. Look at here. Okay, so we are going to decorate in the front, on the back. It's falling down. Wait, sorry, it's falling. Oh, the ring is, it's not yet, not so close. So to be sure your rings will not be open, so just try to overlap like this. No, this is the ring or round ring, not, don't close like this, just a little bit overlap. Okay, so it's here, and now we're going to decorate this one on this side. I'm going to decorate this one with this rose. Okay, so all you have to do just use this adhesive glue and put a little bit on the back of the flower. If you know how to make a rose ribbon, so you can create, but this one I have available, it's ready made, so I did not make anything because I have a ready made decoration. Okay, just put a little bit, and on the back side, okay, put here. Okay, just place it here, look, press it. Okay, so, and on the other side you have to put this one, a little bit glue also, and fix it here, and fix the beads, the silver one. Okay, so we have already our finished project. Look at here, this is our finished project. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for joining me in my tutorial, and please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you again in my next video tutorial. Dankeschön. This organizer, is a holder, is also a project. This one, a wine glass decorated with different pictures of the wine. You can collect pictures of the wine from the magazine, from the supermarket, and you can paste it on your wine glass, and you could have an instant table centerpiece. Okay, so I'll show you. This is it. Look at here.